Becky from Power Tools with Thread. I got in a subscription project for Creative Notions Kids Club. Came in the mail, comes in a nice big box, and I want to show you what is in January's box. A lot of you are of an age where you have grandchildren or maybe even great-grandchildren, and you're not real sure what to do with them because they always seem to be stuck attached to a screen, you know? We've got to get them away from the screens, right? This is the perfect thing. You can go to creativenotionsquiltshop.com and see all of the subscriptions that Vicki offers. She's out of Utah and she works day and night to put these together to give all of us crafty people something to do. So let me show you what came in January's box. It's all about knitting, and this is so cool. So they have these fully color printed project sheets, and this one is called Knitted Scarf with a Loom. And there's fun facts about wool, and so this is also educational. They can read this, or you can read it with them. And they have what you need to make the projects. Lots and lots of stuff. So the first thing that I noticed when I opened the box was I have what are called cake balls. There are two of them in this box. There's one that's blue, and there's one that's multicolored like a rainbow. That is beautiful. Look how much yarn you get. Very neat. There's also a loom. So it's a pretty heavy duty plastic loom, and it comes with all these little pegs that they can insert into the holes and make the holes as far apart or together as they like. And it also comes with a needle and a little pick. And I'm sure there's a name for that, but I'm not a knitter, so you knitters can fill me in, okay? So this particular one comes with 16 full color printed pages with big pictures of, let me get this open here, how to knit a scarf on a loom. And it tells them how to hold their hands to get the first loop started, and exactly what they need to do, how it needs to go on that little end peg. And it's just fabulous. They've got all these pictures to show them how it all needs to be figure-eighted onto the loom and whatnot, and it goes all the way through how to get the project off the loom and how to tie it off. So it's very neat. They can make 2 whole scarves out of this, so that's pretty cool. It also comes with some stickers that they can use and put on their project pages. There is the pamphlet, January 2020, Working with Yarn, okay? And it gives them some pictures of what their finished project will look like, okay? And it asks questions. What did you do with your project? So that's the yarn part. And then there is an adorable little snowman with some sunglasses, because you know being out on the snow is pretty bright. It's a pen, so they can write on their paper. They can answer their questions. You know, did you make this scarf for yourself or for a gift? If it was for a gift, who did you give it to? So you can use your little snowman pen to write in your answers on the project sheets. And it also came with an extra project in here. You get a little picture frame, okay? And then there is a bag of bright color pom-poms. The glue gun is electric. It comes with 2 long glue sticks inside. This is a low temp, you know, so they don't burn themselves too bad. Hey, we all have to go through it. It's initiation into the crafting world, right? Sorry. And 2 little packages of extra glue sticks. Okay? And of course, something sweet comes with it. And there is a lollipop. Very nice. And the lollipop is covered in a nice puffy thing, so hopefully it doesn't get broken in transit. But also, in your very first Kids Club kit that you get, you will receive this very cool satchel. And this is where all your project sheets can go, so you can store them all in your very first kit. So, not to leave you on your own, Vicki has also shot YouTube videos. I'm going to show you guys this, of two little girls that are doing the project. Let me make it bigger so you can see. So there you go. And these girls go step by step to show you how to, you can tell she's got the Loom, and they go step by step and go through it and do it. And I just think that's so cool. So they get to, you know, watch somebody else do it, because you know it's really better to learn when you're watching somebody do it. And then there's also a Creative Notions Kids Club Facebook page where they can become members and share pictures of their projects that they've done and get support and whatnot. So the Creative Notions Quilt Shop, this is their homepage right here, and you just scroll down to right here, and she talks about, as of the 13th at 3:30, we are sold out of the January 2020 subscription boxes. So that's something, if you guys want to get in on this, you kind of got to go early. Oh, she did tell me, for those of you who were wondering about getting the Quilter's Planner, she did tell me that I saw, maybe it was a comment in the video, that if you email her, contact her off the website, I think she has some spares and she can sell them to you separately. But anyway, the Quilter subscription, and that's for the grown-ups, that's $39.95 a month. And then the Kids Club is $37.95 a month. I think that includes shipping. It's $29.95 a month plus shipping. So yeah, that's $37.95 a month, and you can pay for it monthly or you can pay for a whole year. So that way, if you get the yearly subscription, you're guaranteed to get one of those boxes before they sell out. So anyway, y'all, my 6-year-old granddaughter would absolutely love this. I mean, I remember I got one of these, a loom and some yarn, from my grandma when I was, I must have been, I don't know, 7 or 8 years old. I got it for Christmas or my birthday or something, and y'all, I played with it and played with it and played with it. I thought I was quite the knitter. Of course, it's a loom, but you know, it's just a wonderful thing to be able to sit down and have some quiet time, do something with your hands and engage your mind, or better yet, do something with you know, your grandma or your mom or your great grandma, and just really enjoy time together. So anyway, you guys, this month's subscription is it's a winner. So I highly encourage you to go to creativenotionsquiltshop.com. I will put a link below this video. Have some quality time with your littles, okay? We will talk to you soon. Go sew something. Bye.